Well, it's now been 3 days since police and federal agents moved in on Chad Daybell's property in Idaho, eventually uncovering 2 sets of children's remains.
Investigators remain extremely quiet about what was found and tight-lipped about their case against Daybell and Lori Vallow. So what's taking so long? News specialist Andrew Adams is looking for that answer tonight. Andrew?
Well, we've yet to even see a probable cause statement that outlines the story behind Chad Daybell's charges. The guy we talked to said law enforcement is no doubt trying to build an airtight case, and that takes time.
After months of quiet investigation into what happened to J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, it was a scene that stunned everyone on Tuesday.
It is pretty macabre, pretty bizarre.
Law enforcement converging on Chad Daybell's property and uncovering 2 sets of remains that prosecutors said belonged to children.
But you still got to prove it in a court of law, and so this is about sewing up all those pieces together.
Retired FBI Special Agent Frank Montoya says with few details yet to be made public, it's likely the investigation is working to cover several bases, from forensics.
Is there any indicators forensically of a violent death, cut marks, burns?
To the other deaths that are peripheral to the case.
What happened to Tammy Daybell? Was that a natural death, or was she killed to further this scenario?
Based on how quickly developments unfolded at the Daybell property this week, Montoya believes somebody is likely talking.
I think that points to specificity that is from a human being, information from witnesses as opposed to the use of technologies.
With many questions left to be answered, including why.
The way you do that is piece by piece, step by step.
Montoya believes the case may eventually prove to be simpler than it appears.
We've seen this before where, it's a bizarre case, it makes no sense, and then it comes down to something as simple as greed or avarice or, selfishness. There's no defending that, especially when it results in death.
It remains unclear when exactly we'll get more information out of Fremont County. Chad Daybell is being held on $1 million bail. His next court appearance is July 1st. Andrew Adams, KSL 5 News.
Andrew, thank you.